This month we're presenting PhotoGrid, a collage maker. It's the world's most popular collage maker, and it creates the coolest collages and video, which can be shared on social networks or even within your class. What's more, you can add music, text, and funny stickers anytime,
You can show off class projects.
including science, and upload it to Instagram. Here's the science PD that we all participated in. A way to share what we do in our rooms.
First, open the app. From your camera roll, pick up to 9 pictures. Then you may choose your layout. Now add details, including background colors. Lastly, add a caption. Push done at the top and you may share it, or it just saves to your camera roll.
Here I made a photo grid showing the steps to complete an addition problem. You can also make one to show the steps of writing.
So get your iPads out and let's get started.